Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Lord Have Mercy. If you're new, thank you so much for clicking and watching. And if you are a returner, what's good? So today's video is going to be more on the products you need to get that flawless face. Boom, 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 beat. But yeah, so I'm just gonna move on to the video so it's not too long. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure you click the subscribe button below and hit the bell for notifications so you know when next I have another video. And I really appreciate your support in this my YouTube journey, and just know you are much and greatly appreciated. Okay, thank you. Alright, so for that foundation, in the last video we talked about the skin and taking care of the skin and the face. And now in this video I'm gonna be talking about the makeup products that you're gonna be putting on your face. So the first thing you want to, I know like there's a debate about, oh, do you need primer, do you not need primer? I don't know, I don't care. All I care about is protecting my own skin from the chemicals that I'm going to be putting on top of it. So yes, in a way you might argue the primer is also a mixture of the chemicals and everything, but still it's supposed to protect that barrier from the fake foundation and like the makeup and all those stuff. So me, I am pro primer, as you can tell. So the first thing I would say is get a primer that works for your skin. So there's like mattifying primer, blurring primer, hydrating primer, smoothing primer, color correcting primer, everything primer. They're all primers. So it depends on what you're trying to achieve with your face, with your look, and how you would like to cater to your skin. So for me, my go-to, it's a bit expensive on the pricey side, is the Lancome. Actually, let me take it out of the box, but that's how the box looks. And then this is the primer. So I use the Lancome LA base. It's not LA base, I like calling it LA base, but it's the Lancome Base Pro primer. It's supposed to be perfecting makeup primer with smoothing effect, and I think I was reading one day and it says oil free too. It's for all skin types. Create a smoother looking and long lasting canvas for a more perfected makeup look. Non-comedogenic Triscuits, non-GMO modified, non-GMO. Okay. But yeah. So I use this, my go-to, but of recent I've been trying to do like things more on the affordable side. So I found out about the Morphe foundation primer, and in my opinion, in my experience, it's kind of a dupe for the Lancome, kinda, because it also blurs and softens imperfections and instantly makes skin feel smooth and balanced. So yeah, I've been using this more of recent. Kind of gives me the same effect as this, and I think this was, let me check the price. Well, okay, you answer somebody. Okay, so this is $12, while this is $12 plus 30 more, and then plus tax. So yeah, there's that. At the beginning of my makeup journey, I used to use the NYX, the NYX No Filter primer, and that lasted me. I liked my experience with it, but then I found out about Lancome. Lancome changed my life, and then now I'm on to the Morphe. And then also I recently found out about the Elf Moisture Lock primer. It's supposed to be a hydrating primer, and I also noticed it kind of like gives you that smooth and blurring effect. So there's that. I don't want these videos to be long, so I think I'm just gonna stop there. And also some setting sprays can be used as like to prime and also to set. An example would be the Milani. An example would also be the MAC Studio Fix. And yeah, so yeah, that's it for this video. So I guess this one's just gonna be on the primer, and then the next one would be on the other stuff. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video by God's grace. I hope you are enjoying these series, and please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And yeah, thank you so much. Peace.